What is happening? What's going on? What's going on? Looking at what's up, YouTube? Yeah, man. I'm back with another video, man. Today, man, I want to talk to you guys on support and resistance. I'm going straight into it. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Support and resistance is very important, but this will help you understand which way the market is moving. Um, I'm a technical trader, so I'm reading React, bro. I'm reading the candlesticks, options, looking at. I'm just playing, but yeah, man. Today's gonna be good. We it's about like 15 minutes to the candlestick close of this trade, and it hasn't presented this opportunity for us to enter in the market, so we just eyeing it. Um, yeah, without any. I'm trying to think. Did I cover everything? Chat. Did I cover everything? Oh, that's another thing, man. While y'all at it, bro. I seen everybody been doing numbers, bro. Y'all want me to go live, bro? I'm going live, man. So we trading live, 100 bins. We trading live, man. Monday through Thursday on Twitch. Y'all can catch the setup, see the entries, and all that jazz. But yeah, man, let's have a good session, man. It's support and resistance. Let's go. Come lock in. This where it happens. Come lock in. This where it happens. Support and resistance. What do I mean by that? What do I mean by that? I'm glad you said that. What is support and resistance? So I like to think of it as the floor and the ceiling. You see what I'm saying? The floor, you ain't going lower unless you got a basement. You see what I'm saying? But you're not going lower than the floor. It's the floor, it's the ground, the ground. And then um, you got the ceiling. You see what I'm saying? So ceiling, you're not going above the ceiling. It's cover, it's the top. So when identifying zones and trading, I don't like to mark it up. Please do not mark up your whole chart, man. It's not good for you. It's gonna confuse you. You're gonna get lost in the sauce. You're gonna have a lot going on, and you're not gonna be able to read and react. So this is what I'm seeing straight out the gate. I know for a fact that if I'm trading, sorry about that. If I'm trading, let's say I'm gonna just go back to right here. Who knows? Ooh. So this is June, 2024. So I see I get my horizontal ray. I see the market came to a low and retraced right here. I see that the market also came and it looked like, right around here forming some type of ceiling resistance because it hit this area and then you see it retrace. It almost came down a little bit some more. Even right here, like right here, all the way through, the market came February 24th right here and retraced up this way. So it's like some form of resistance right here is happening, some form of resistance right here is happening. Personally, I like to keep it simple for me. I like to point out the support and resistance via line chart. Boom. What do I see on the line chart? The same thing. The market is easier out of anything. It's easier to identify support and resistance on a higher time frame and with a line chart so you can see where the market comes and turns and really makes that move, that confirmed move. So you can see the market made this big dip. Boom. Right here, retrace. Okay, we're not going lower. This the floor. Came up, started retrace, started coming down, boom, hit the ceiling. Okay, it's hitting some type of resistance because it almost made a retrace back to, the floor or some type of level. So it's like support and resistance are definitely levels. We're identifying levels when the market comes to a certain point and we can read and react whether what it does, if it pushes through or if it's going to reverse. And so Uh, Even still, like you would put one, I would put one for up top right here, or even right here, and I'll put one for future sake. But I'm not doing more. You see what I'm saying? And I say that because it's like I don't want to over flood my chart. Simple. What am I looking at? I'm gonna tell you what I'm looking at. This straight out the gates where the market came and at this lower low right here. These are fractals. Keep in mind. And this is an indicator you can go ahead and put on. If y'all need me to, I use the fractals to help identify highs and lows. I'm gonna say that again. I use fractals to help identify highs and lows. You do not need the indicator. The indicator is here to help track the candlestick. Please listen to me. Everybody's different. You don't need 50 million indicators. The truth is not in the indicator. Bro, the truth is in the candlestick. The indicator is there to help you. So, like, let's lock in. So, I know for a fact that, even still, it formed that resistance and the fractals, another confirmation, and the RSI, two indicators, another confirmation. So, I know it's some type of, resistance coming to this level and the market is going to retrace. I can go ahead and enter in my strategy. Let's say if I wanted to trade via the week, then I would trade via the week. You see what I'm saying? I would trade how I would do my thing. So that's that, bro. But that's just identifying support and resistance, where the market comes. Because you can see the market came, boom. Okay, this right here, it's all I do. And this part of back testing. This is part of identifying the market. This is what needs to happen. Look at these two pairs, chat. Oh, that's a bad circle. Look at these two pairs, chat. Look at these two pairs. Oh, I should have used an eclipse. One of them. But y'all get the point. Look at these two right here. You see what I'm saying? This is a mean reversible, letting you know for the day. Okay, some type of change. Now it came down to a point, formed some type of resistance, trying to come down to a level, before the market took off. It looks like the market went and took off. You see, breaking the ceiling, breaking the roof. And so support and resistance is identifying them zones. Look, and it came to touch, to make a new zone higher up here. See what I'm saying? And making a new zone, forming what? A resistance. You see this candlestick that we did earlier? But we're not going to overflow our screen with charts. We're not going to overflow our charts, my fault, with just lines all over the place. Horizontal lines confuse us. Make it simple for us, chat. Make it simple for us. We're not knowing, at the end of the day, we're traders. And so we have to, like, literally, like, read and react to what's going on. Because I'm not knowing which direction it can go. It can bounce from the floor and break through. It could reverse and cut through and go past the ceilings. You know what I'm saying? I know that if it forms three, let me get right, folks. Let me get right, man. I got y'all, chat. My fault. I just got the alert for the excuse me. I just got the alert for the thing, and it's also about like identifying swing points. When the market moves and retraces. You have to one more thing before I forget. I can't forget this too as well. I had this written down somewhere in my notes. But when identifying, you have to do it on higher time frames. Notice how I did not move on to my 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute. I'm on the higher time frames. The best way to identify the zones, the 4 hour and the daily. If not, the weekly. the weekly, the daily. I mainly do it everything on daily so I can see, okay. But I'm keeping my eyes peeled and open. So that's just what we gotta be on. Um, and y'all can see like the market's gonna form W's, the market's gonna form M's. It's gonna tell you like it will literally tell you, bro. Like, bro, market came, boom, came down, retraced, boom, then came, boom. So then it seemed like it wanted to go ahead and retrace back, but it didn't. Okay, that's fine. Then boom. What is that? Bing, 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 bing. That's a W. You see what I'm saying? If I was to go ahead and take this point from this high to this low, to come up back to resistance, to come back down to this low, to come back up. It's forming. It's forming. You see what I'm saying? W's are for what, chat? Come on now, it's a double entendre. And M's is what? M's is the majority sales in the market. Sales. You're identifying them. It's a pattern. Learn the patterns, chat. Learn the patterns. Learn what we're looking at. We have to read and understand what we're looking at. W's are in the chat. Understanding. Oh, let me go back. Understanding the market can be forming a W, bro. Okay, I don't want to click on it no more. Like it could form being in like, come on, bro. This high drops down all the way to this low, to come back all the way to this high, to form some type of resistance before shooting up. What is that? What do y'all think that look like? What do y'all think that look like? This high. Get my brush. I'm gonna change the color for y'all so y'all can understand and see this. And I'm gonna change the length. Comes down, shoots up. Just to come down some and shoot up. But it has to line up with your strategy. It has to line up with what you're seeing in the market. You're able to tell and read and react just by off this, identifying what's going on. That's part of support and resistance, bro. And you can see and read the candlesticks. And read the candlesticks. But yeah, man, we just getting better every day, bro. It's what I do. I backtest. I have to backtest my own strategy because, gang, if I don't backtest my own strategy, how you think I'm gonna form repetition when seeing my strategy? It's like basketball. You see what I'm saying? You holding a shot too long. Why? Get in the gym, practice every day, releasing at the right time, catching the ball right, jumping, finishing, and repeat, repeat, repeat. The same shot, same opportunity, looking for the same setup and punching it, punching it every time. You know, um, it's same thing, bro. It's the same thing, bro. Literally, it's the same thing, bro. Um, I appreciate everybody for spending time. I didn't want to show y'all. I could have went more in depth. At the last video, I went more in depth. I even added some of my strategy in there for y'all, but this is mainly for support and resistance. Identifying support and resistance. But I gotta do another one for y'all. Before I do one real quick. Before I do one real quick. It's real quick, I promise y'all. I know they for anywhere, it don't matter. Anywhere, okay. Whatever that is. Well, horizontal right. Boom. Because the market came, look at that high. It formed some type of resistance because they ain't shoot up. It stopped and retraced back down. Another one. Boom. Look at the floor. Came, range of market, came back down and it touched this area before shooting up. Hello. Oh, chat. What is this? What is this, chat? Bing, 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 bing. That's a buy. You telling me we in a trending market? Even on the art? Come on now. Identifying support and resistance will help you identify and read and react in the trade. That's all important, bro. That's all important, bro. So I'm glad, I'm grateful for y'all. Thank y'all, family, for spending time out your day to lock in with me, bro. We all on this journey. It's a marathon. We all gonna get there, bro. It just take time. We have to apply ourselves. So let's continue to apply ourselves. Like, folks, this is what we on, gang. I'm trying to tell y'all. I'm trying to see if it's time, almost time to enter in this trade. We got a live stream for y'all later on. We're live streaming Monday through Thursday. Understand this. We're live streaming Monday through Thursday, catching trades, the community. We all having a good time, man. We learning, getting better, and being patient for our one setup. Simple. Um, yeah, bro, I hope my journey will inspire you to go harder. That's the whole goal. That's the whole mission, man. I'm not perfect, but every day we trying to get better, 1% better. That's all that matters. We living in Ephesians 3:20, and we know we living in our overflow for the rest of our lives, man. So just continue to work. Don't give up. If you know losing is part of it, continue to apply yourself and put money into it and keep going. It's trial and error. You fall, so what? Get up, do it again. You know, not everybody has this goal, this dream to trade. So the fact that you have this vision and you can't get it out your head tells me a lot, man. Keep at it. All right, I'm out, man. 100.